Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you the fourth tag in the gift tag series I am sharing with you. And so the fourth tag is this one. It was inspired off of a Pinterest board or pin that I saw, and I just used the Stephanie Bernard Framelits nesting die, and I used two of them, so I cut out the background as well as the layering piece, and I made a white one so I could do the to and the from. I also cut it out of this pattern paper here, and then I added a ribbon. This is from Stamps of Life, the cone as well as these pines, and then I just stamped a gift for you and adhered it with the bow. So two of them I made red and two of them I used the green ribbon. But I like how these turned out. So yeah, that's my number 4 tag. I will leave the link to the playlist here if you want to follow along. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.